Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create mock-ups in Canva. Before we get started, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel as it really helps me out. So to complete our first mock-up, we're going to click on the left-hand side on the Templates tab. Then I'm going to type into the search bar mock-up. So loads of cool templates that you can use for free will come up. And you can also filter the mockups by style and what type of mockup you want to create. Is it a mockup for a t-shirt, a book, a phone, a website? There's so many different options. So I'm going to click on this mock-up, which looks like it's a mock-up for a downloadable resource. So this would be a good fit if you're giving a freebie away and want to get people onto your email list. So I'm going to click to customize this template. Then you can go ahead and customize the mock-up. So if you have like colors for your business, you can edit the colors to reflect that. You can, of course, edit the text, like what is your mock-up? Download this free ebook, something like that. So really easy to do. So I'm going to say download this free ebook. And of course, you can take the time and add in more text, and you can change the font, the colors, and you'll also want a picture of your mock-up. So take a picture of like your ebook or t-shirt, whatever it is you're giving away, and then you can upload those pictures by clicking on uploads on the left hand side, upload files, then find the picture of your mock-up and then add it to your files. Then you can easily drag and drop the picture of your mock-up onto the canvas. So it should adjust the size intuitively so it fits in with the pictures. So let's see if I can, there we go. So you can see I've got the picture of the mock-up on the phone, the iPad and the website. So that looks pretty cool. Then obviously add your own website in, make sure you edit everything. And then you have a mock-up you can share on social media. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.